Hi. Good morning. It is a good morning. I don't have that much time today, so I think I'm gonna only do one set of each exercise. So, yeah. Starting with deadlifts. Deadlifts. I'm gonna put them through my rubber bandits. Should have done this beforehand. But anyway, let me add the red one. Deadlifts I'm really strong on. Really strong on the deadlifts, so we'll do 3 bands. I'm like, who is this? It's the morning time. I don't usually get up in the morning and work out. I usually do it at night. But I'm motivated to do it in the morning because of how good I feel afterward. So this is a plus. Okay. It's different than the last time I did it with the video with the no audio. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. That's good. Oh, hip bridges. I probably need that for this too. Don't take it out yet. Oh, I forgot to turn on my Fitbit workout. My Fitbit. So we can track this workout. Not that it really matters. I don't really care about calories burned. But, yeah, just track it so I know that I did it. Kind of like this. These videos are more for me than for you guys. If it becomes something, great. If not, okay, it's been good for me too. So hip bridges. See if we can get set up for that. Oof. Well, this isn't going to be very much resistance. Here. I'll just do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want to do another set of deadlifts. I'll do them this way. So y'all can see it from a different angle. Do it from the side. 1, 2. I love deadlifts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo-hoo. That's good. Oh, take this off. This is a handy little tool. Just a handy dandy little tool. Protect your feet. Alright, next is step squats. I'm going to do something different with those. Let's lift this through here. I'm going to need it later. And I'll move this up there so y'all can see. Goodness. I wish this thing would. There. Y'all can see that. Step up here. My foot is on the band, and I'm going to step down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it works kind of like a leg press, I guess. How a leg are one of those things that you add weight to make it easier for your like pull-up machine. What do they call those things? You're in the gym, and it's like a little thing that you put a thing in there, and it helps you when you're trying to do pull-ups by making your weight easier, lighter, or whatever. This is kind of like that, except you're pressing with your foot up and down, and help you step back up. Hang on, I did this foot already. I need to do the other foot. Okay. Step on that step. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pressing with the bent leg. Press up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so it's kind of like a leg press. But you're using a step on the thing. Oh, come on. Step back up the way you were. This stupid thing. There we go. Perfect. I need a drink of water. Face pulls, and we got a good setup for that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, perfect. Lat pull downs. And I know what to do for that. I like to do them separate because this thing is better if you do it with two bands instead of one for some reason. Oh, there we go. I have to get down for this. Hold up to the thing for the resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, there we go. A shoulder press. Let's do the black. See if you can do the black one. Oh yeah, 1, 2. Add a little more resistance to this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. Perfect. One arm rear delts. I'm moving fast for this workout. It's just fine. Rear delt flies. 1, a little more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. Step on it. Was I grabbing it around here? 1, a little more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, there we go. Just gotta whip this around like that. I love the windy sound. Okay, we're still on. Overhead tricep extensions. Let's do these. Remember this one being good resistance for that. Okay. Step on it. And let me step on it this side so I can lift it up behind me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh! Tricep push downs. Well, let's have a drink of water first. Give our triceps a rest before we jump into another tricep exercise. It was cool. This week I've been to new places, way deep south. Deep south is fun. I always have lots of fun when I go down south. I don't care. People are crazy drivers, though, in the south. People are crazy drivers anywhere, but I notice it more in the south for some reason. Really rednecky. Is that bad to say? Bad drivers everywhere. I just notice it more in the south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That felt really good. Hammer curls. We love hammer curls. All right. Someone told me wrap them around your hands so they don't slap you in the face. Here. 1. And it didn't slap me in the face. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, great suggestion. It didn't slap me in the face. That felt neat and clean. So, any other suggestions? Just comment. How I listen to them, and I think they're good suggestions. Trunk twists. It's kind of sad. The only place I could tie it is on these 2 handlebars that are above my head. I can't ever do one from the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grab the same point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's perfect. Now we got one more exercise, and it doesn't require bands. But this has been a really short workout. I'll probably do the rest after I'm done with work. I'm done driving for the day, which today should be an easy day of driving. Just all day driving, no pickups, no drops, nothing like that. Okay, move. Side planks. I hate planks, especially side ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I'll have to get better at these. One day I will get better at them. This side feels stronger than the other side for some reason. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh yeah, this side is much stronger. I could have gone to 30 on that one. But cool, finished the workout. And it has been about 20 minutes. I started this about 2 minutes after my first exercise. So about 20 minutes long. So I'm glad you guys for watching, joining, whatever you did in the future. Comment your suggestions because I actually used it. That suggestion for the wrapping the band around your hand so it doesn't slap you in the face was a good suggestion. I like that. That worked. I'm learning as I go, okay? So any suggestions are welcome. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.